Welcome to the HardReset.Info YouTube channel. Today I would like to show how you can remove safe mode on this ALCATEL 1T10 Smart. So removing the safe mode on practically any Android devices, including this tablet, is as easy as rebooting the device like you would normally do. In order to restart this particular tablet, you gotta hold the power key for like a second or so. Then this power off menu appears. Simply tap at the restart option. And well, let's wait for the tablet to be rebooted, and well, you'll see that the safe mode was successfully turned off. So as you can clearly see, the safe mode text, or well, the safe mode banner was successfully erased and all the apps are active again. So that will be pretty much it for this video. Thanks for watching and bye bye.